Hi everyone, my name is Carmelita James and welcome to my channel Asiana Beauty, where I'll be spilling the tea on everything beautiful. On my channel, I'll be creating videos based around everything that has to do with achieving a beautiful life. I will be creating videos sharing advice, tips, and tricks on how to look more beautiful, feel more beautiful, surround yourself with beautiful things, and just live in a more beautiful space. I am so excited to be starting this channel, but honestly, I've just recently figured out that I'm actually pretty scared to post my first video. I filmed numerous videos, but I obviously haven't been actually able to finish one. I can be quite the perfectionist, which can lead to becoming a huge procrastinator. I figured if I set myself a goal and I announce it to the world, then I have to do it. So then I decided to set myself the craziest goal I could possibly think of, so that I pretty much have to do it. I do love a challenge, and apparently I like to be different, and apparently I'm a bit crazy. And I have decided that not only am I posting my very first YouTube video, I decided I'm going to make it Vlogmas. And this is going to be day 1 of 25 Days of Beauty. You know, I figured it's only taken me 6 months to get up one video, so I can get up 25 videos in 1 month, right? Fingers crossed. Anyway, so welcome to my channel, my first YouTube video, my first day of Vlogmas, and my first day of 25 Days of Beauty. Like I said earlier, my name is Carmelita James. I'm a beauty and makeup enthusiast. I'm a certified interior designer, a professional organizer, and I'm also a Union Carpenter, where I've experience in both residential and commercial construction. So what better way to be able to combine all the things that I do and love than to make a YouTube channel, right? So for 25 Days of Beauty, since I will be posting so many videos this month, I'm going to be creating shorter videos every day until Christmas that are all things that I'm passionate about that all have something to do with beauty. Most will likely be makeup videos, maybe some hair and nails, but I'll also be doing a bunch of DIYs, both home decor and Christmas decor, where I'll be turning things from cheap to chic. I do have a DIY ugly Christmas sweater video planned. I'll also be doing a special video on how to buy more affordable presents, but how to make them more personalized and do some DIYs to them to make them look more luxurious and also make them more meaningful, because not everyone has a lot of money to spend at Christmas time. So I'm going to show you some ways on how to turn things from cheap to chic. I also do have a bunch of construction videos that I have filmed in the past. I have previously filmed a lot of jobs that I've done where I'll actually go through step by step and explain how to do them. But those videos I'm probably going to have to wait until after the holidays just because of how detailed they are. But for you ladies out there, that if you have any desire whatsoever to remodel your house, I want to show you that you can do it, and you can do it on your own. So if you have any interest in that, definitely stay tuned until after the holidays, because I'm going to show you that us ladies can remodel our own houses all by ourselves. And it's really not that hard, and it's actually a lot of fun. I do, however, have a beauty room that needs to be organized and set up. We just recently moved, and my boyfriend's actually so supportive of my channel. It actually was never even a question that our spare room is actually going to become my beauty room, my studio, my office, and right now you can't even walk into it. So it needs to be organized, set up, and decorated. I figured I might as well film working on my room and posting it for 25 Days of Beauty. Because isn't that what all the big YouTubers do? So if you enjoy beautiful things like I do, and you want to learn the easy and inexpensive ways to make yourself, your life, and your home more beautiful, then I ask you to consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. You have no idea. Honestly, I've had a very rough past couple of years, and other than sharing all my advice and tips and tricks and having a creative platform to do all the things that I'm very passionate and love doing, I'm also very drawn to the community that can come with having a YouTube channel. I've actually kind of become quite the loner the past couple of years, dealing with my own self-confidence and insecurity issues. And I am so excited to be able to connect with you and make some new friends. And what's a better place than to meet new strangers and make some new friends than the internet, right? So definitely comment below any ideas or suggestions you have and things that you want to see in the upcoming 25 Days of Beauty. And don't forget to hit that like button for me as a sign of good luck that I can actually accomplish my goal and get all 25 videos up before Christmas. I was actually going to add an eye makeup tutorial at the end of this video, but since I'm horrible at intros and I tend to make them unbearably long, I've actually decided just to put in a quick clip of bloopers that I actually have from the first video I was planning on putting up, but obviously never did. And actually probably adding a few bloopers from this video. I figured since I'm really scared of putting my first video out and putting myself out there, then I might as well just put all of me out there with all of my mistakes and bloopers, because then my videos can only get better from there, right? But anyway, I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you've actually made it to the end of this very long intro, then comment below either the word or the emoji panda. Pandas are actually a huge part of our life. I don't know if you can see my little panda in the corner, but that is my little good luck charm. So that way if I see any pandas down there, then I'll know who made it to the end of my video. So I just want to thank you one last time for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the bloopers reel that I have coming up for you. Also, if you're interested in how I achieved this eye makeup look, and if you're wondering which palette I used, it's actually a palette that I've never heard anyone talk about it. I've gone to Sephora a million times, I've never seen it there, and I just saw it there the other day and picked it up as soon as I did, and I'm so glad that I grabbed it because I love the way that this look came out. So if you want to see a tutorial on how I achieved this eye look, and if you want to find out what palette I used, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I will be filling you in on all the tea on day 2 of 25 Days of Beauty. So until then, I hope you have a beautiful day. Hi everyone, my name is Asia. That's not my name. That is not my name. That's not your name. That's not your name. I shouldn't look away from the camera. Oh my god, why? Oh my god, I'm gonna freak out. Are you kidding me? I figured I might as well film working on my... Isn't that what all the big tube... Isn't that what all the big tube... My little baby favorite panda. I was actually gonna add, and I'll be spilling the tea on, nope. What? So if you want to see how I achieved this eye makeup look, nope, right? Maybe? Okay, good enough.